Hi, today is 18th day of communication skill enhancement practice. I remember I am practicing daily videos and also I remember I am doing a English, I am watching people talking in English, also uh, reading books. Reading books will always help to improve our vocabulary because English is new to us and we have to improve our vocab also. Today I will share three ways of learning which will boost our speed to the growth of our communication skills. First thing is recording video and review. The first step we are taking is recording our video for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Then the second step is to review that. Review that video and record what mistakes we are doing. The mistakes we are doing is not to for dishearten ourselves. We are doing some mistakes and we can learn from that mistakes. Means maybe our sound quality is not good, maybe our tone is not good, that good, maybe our words per minute is not good, the, the words we are delivering per minute which is not up to mark, and that is part of listening parts, and also body language part. Maybe our body is not supporting our words, maybe we are talking like a robot. We are a human being, so we should talk like a human being. We cannot be just memorize something and speak the only the memorized words. We have to memorize some bullet points and express our express in our own language. The content should be our own, and that is the first learning which can be applied. That making videos and reviewing the mistakes which we are doing, writing it in one or two sentences so that we are writing practice will be done. Write it in English, what mistakes we are done, how and next is action which can be take to improve that mistakes. That is the first learning which will be help us to improve our English skills. Second learning is prepare. Sometimes what we are doing, we are making video but we do not have any bullet points. We should have at least 2 to 3 bullet points. Which topic we want to share or which learning we want to share. One thing is we can share our learning, and second thing is the way we can learn fast, because we are students and we have to learn our communication skills. We have to learn our English speaking skills. To preparing our speech, practicing our speech, and making bullet points, making some starting points, making our own stories, because story is, as I always said, stories will connect people, because we have to connect people to influence them. So we have to tell some good stories of our own life. We can tell the story of successful people, but problem is they maybe listen that story. People do not like to listen the same story in repeated times. So our own story is a unique story. Our own struggle, our own success, our own efforts is the uniqueness to the world. So we can share our own story of struggle, success, and we can motivate people, influence people. So first thing is reviewing our videos and see what mistakes we are doing and how we can prove that mistake, how we can overcome that mistake. It will take time to come out from that mistake. It will not happen that from the you know that mistake and second day you will just overcome that mistake. It will not happen. So not to dishearten, our idea is to just keep patience and doing what we are doing. We have to practice for a long time, because it is a difficult task. We should accept that it is a difficult task. We should accept that we are new to this, but we are also accepting that we have a determination to improve our English speaking skill and communication skill in any way. So we will not let it go. We will not let it go. We will accept that we are doing wrong, but we will also accept the determination and efforts we will do, that we will one day we will grow in a very strong manner. So second thing is that, and third thing is making some daily checkpoints. Making some daily checkpoints is the very important lesson which I have learned from various mentors. That is not one mentor. Various mentors have told that we should have a daily checklist. So which checklist do you need? We need our own other works. We have our other works. So separate checklist for that, and one bullet point checklist for our communication skill enhancement practice. To communication skill enhancement practice, we can make like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. One for 10-minute video. Second, we can tick that if for Monday we have ticked that. For second is reviewing that video and learn the mistake, whatever mistake we have done and how to overcome that mistake. If we have done that, then tick. Then third is we have to watch for 30 minutes English speaking from the good mentors, which were we can choose some good mentors which he is speaking tremendously well. So 30 minutes watching of that book or 30 minutes watching of that exclusive videos, if you have done, then tick mark. Same next is reading books, and reading, the way we reading is not like others. We have to read it loudly and like speaking to any person. We do not have audience, but what we are doing is practicing that audience is with us. So we have to read the book like we are speaking something to someone. So if you have done this, then tick it. And the last thing is, last but not least, there is no end of the points, but we can last is writing. Writing, as I say, if we have not practiced in writing, we can do writing in our LinkedIn or Facebook or WhatsApp in a 2 to 3 sentence. We can do some comments in 2 to 3 sentences in a proper manner, in a formal manner. People will not like you that, but we have to do it. We have to do it for our own improvement. So we will write 2 to 3 sentences and practice, and we will try at least this type of comments or this type of chatting of 10 to 20. More than 20 is good enough. You will practice that. You practice writing, reading, and watching videos, making videos, reviewing videos, taking action for the mistakes. The day will come that we will be great champion of the English speaking skills and the communication skills. Yes, today is a difficult time, but we will win at the end. And I hope this will be helpful to others, because I am trying to doing this type of things. I am making daily videos, I am learning from others, and I am very hopeful that I will improve my skill. I am a student of my whole life. I learn new things. After if I will be expert of English speaking skills. If a communication skill, then I will not stop there. I will learn new things also. But at this moment, my major learning concern is English speaking skill and communication skills. And when I am learning this, I am also sharing this so that it can help to others. Because a human main motto should be giving service to the mankind. That is the major important thing which we should do in our life. So thanks for watching. I hope it will be helpful to us.